Hey guys, so a box has just arrived for me and I am so nervous because this is me officially checking out the colour in person. While I was talking to the manufacturers, we did share the colour code and I thought it was perfect. So at this point, I'm about to see if it actually matches the rest of the items that I showed you before, and I'm hoping it does, because if it doesn't, I have 150 of them. So let's just go get it over and done with. Let's go check it out. Oh. Please be right. Oh my god. I really hope this is right. And I don't want to scratch anything inside. This is gently as possible. Starting to open. I don't even want to get a peek. I just want to see it all in one go. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, more tape, more tape, more tape. What is happening with this box right now? Can I see it from the corner of my eye? Oh my gosh. Okay. You guys are going to see this with me. Hold on. Are you ready, guys? Oh my gosh. Okay. Oh my gosh. Okay. Breathe. Astrid, breathe. They look the right size. Oh my gosh. I just need to remove one. You are the lucky one. Please make me happy. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. I think we're good. Oh my gosh, it's a nice pink, yeah. Let me show you in the light. So I don't know if you can see that, but it's a really nice subtle pink. And I'm gonna have my logo at the top, and that's a darker pink. So I think this is perfect. Oh my gosh, I think it's perfect. I don't know why it looks smaller than the ones that I have, that I got for samples, but let's have a look. Not gonna lie, a little disappointed. It looks white in the video. Why does it look white in the video? It is like the lightest little pink, but it does match better than this one. It's just that it's not pink, and I really wanted pink. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might have to return it because I want them to be right. And another thing is the size of these are so different. Look at this. But I told them I wanted 30 mil. I'm assuming that inside this one, as you can see, it has a bit of a depth in there that ain't being used, and it's almost creating this perception that it's bigger than what it is, whereas this one, you can tell it's like from end to end. But they feel the same. They look lovely. It's just this color. I'm trying to get this color, guys. Why is it the acrylic pot that's giving me a headache? Let me swap the lids and see how I feel. That's what I'm gonna do. This one that they sent me comes with the lift off cap. You can remove it. So I'm trying to do this with one hand because I don't have my camera stands or anything. This one has the cap, comes with the cap, and I'm not sure. Look, this is what it looks like if I swap the lid. There is acrylic everywhere at this point, but the cap doesn't fit on this one. But just looking at it, I don't know if I like it like that. It's too pale. It's too pale. And then if I did do that, it would actually have to be maybe the brand that is a darker pink. So the word Pinky Tips Acrylic, maybe that would have to change color. So I'm gonna weigh out my options for a minute. Let's see what the powder looks like in there actually, because then we're gonna know if it's the right. I mean, I just chucked loads in here, but let's see if this fits in here. And then I'm gonna have to weigh this to see if it's actually 30 grams. And then I'm gonna want the whole thing to be full. I don't want no one to miss out on any bit of acrylic, because this stuff is for real expensive. Oh, it fits though. Okay. Gosh, that is so deceptive. The bottle. And then that goes there like that. And then this goes on top. So, I mean, at least it fits the acrylic powder. Obviously, I've just made a huge mess. But let me close it up and see how I feel. Yeah, so this is what it looks like when it's filled up. I actually like it, but I think I just want the lid to be a bit darker, unless I just leave the P to do its magic here and maybe add that tone pink on the writing. The only thing I can do is test that and see how it looks before I send these back, but I did want the lids to match everything, so I don't know how I'm going to go about it, but I'm going to update you guys when I can. But for now, this is the update. The acrylic, oh my gosh, there's so many as well. This next part of the video is just going to be me cutting out the test labels that I made to see if they are the right size and to see how they would look. I was dying to test this on the acrylic pot, and this is maybe like 2 days later after receiving them, and as soon as I stuck that P on, I just knew that's how it's going to be, you know, it's right. What an incredible journey, guys. Thank you so much, and I hope you love this as much as I do. Can't wait to see what's next.